My topic is mobile marketing and detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Mobile marketing refers to the practice of promoting products or services to consumers through mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It involves utilizing various marketing strategies and channels that are specifically designed for mobile platforms to reach and engage with the target audience. Mobile marketing has gained significant importance and popularity due to the widespread use of mobile devices and the increasing amount of time people spend on their smartphones. It provides businesses with opportunities to connect with consumers on a more personal and immediate level, as mobile devices are typically carried by individuals wherever they go. Here are some key aspects and strategies commonly used in mobile marketing. Mobile advertising. This involves displaying ads on mobile devices through various formats such as banners, interstitials, native ads, and video ads. Mobile advertising can be done through mobile apps, mobile websites, or in-app advertising networks. SMS marketing, short message service, SMS. Marketing involves sending targeted promotional messages or alerts directly to consumers' mobile phones via text messages. It can be used to deliver time-sensitive offers, coupons, or important updates. Mobile apps. Developing mobile applications specific to your business or brand can be an effective way to engage with customers. Mobile apps provide a more interactive and personalized experience, allowing businesses to offer valuable content, services, and loyalty programs. Mobile websites. Optimizing websites for mobile devices is crucial as more users access the internet through their smartphones. Mobile-friendly websites ensure a seamless browsing experience, enabling users to easily navigate, read content, and make purchases. Location-based marketing. Utilizing location-based technologies such as GPS or beacons, businesses can deliver targeted marketing messages or offers to users based on their current location. This approach is particularly effective for businesses with physical locations, as it can drive foot traffic and increase conversions. Mobile social media marketing. Leveraging popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat to connect with users on mobile devices. Mobile social media marketing involves creating engaging content, running targeted ads, and fostering interaction with the audience. Mobile payments. Facilitating mobile payments and integrating mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or mobile banking apps can simplify the purchasing process for customers, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. It's important to note that mobile marketing should be approached with careful consideration for user experience, privacy, and compliance with relevant regulations, such as data protection laws and opt-in requirements for SMS marketing. Mobile marketing refers to the practice of promoting and advertising products and services using mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. It includes various techniques such as mobile advertising, mobile apps, SMS marketing, QR codes, and location-based marketing. Mobile marketing has become increasingly important as more and more people are using mobile devices to browse the internet and make purchases. It allows businesses to reach their target audience directly through their mobile devices, and offers a more personalized and interactive experience. Wide reach. Mobile devices are used by people of all ages and demographics, making it possible to reach a large and diverse audience. Convenience. Mobile marketing allows businesses to reach customers wherever they are, making it more convenient for both the business and the customer. Personalization. Mobile marketing allows businesses to collect data on customers' preferences and behaviors, enabling them to deliver more personalized advertisements and offers. Higher response rates. Studies have shown that mobile marketing campaigns often have higher response rates compared to traditional marketing methods. Mobile marketing refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands through mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It is a subset of digital marketing that focuses specifically on reaching and engaging with mobile users. With the increasing popularity and widespread use of mobile devices, mobile marketing has become a crucial strategy for businesses to connect with their target audience. Here are some key components and tactics commonly used in mobile marketing. Mobile optimized websites. Creating websites that are responsive and optimized for mobile devices is essential. Mobile users should have a seamless browsing experience, with easy navigation, fast loading times, and content that fits well on smaller screens. Mobile applications, apps. Developing mobile apps allows businesses to provide a personalized and interactive experience to their users. Apps can offer various features, such as e-commerce functionality, loyalty programs, push notifications, and location-based services. SMS, short message service, marketing, sending targeted promotional messages, updates, or offers via SMS is an effective way to engage with mobile users. SMS marketing can be used for customer acquisition, retention, and re-engagement campaigns. Mobile advertising. This involves placing advertisements within mobile apps, games, mobile websites, or mobile search results. Mobile ads can be in the form of banner ads, interstitials, video ads, or native ads, and they can be targeted based on user demographics, interests, and behavior. Location-based marketing. Leveraging location data from mobile devices, businesses can deliver relevant offers and messages to users based on their geographic location. This approach can be used to drive foot traffic to physical stores or provide location-specific information. Mobile search optimization. Optimizing websites and content for mobile search engines is crucial for visibility and attracting organic traffic from mobile users. Mobile SEO techniques include optimizing page load speed, using mobile-friendly design, and incorporating relevant keywords. QR codes. Quick response. QR codes can be scanned using mobile devices to provide users with instant access to content, promotions, or information. QR codes are commonly used on product packaging, print advertisements, or in-store displays. Mobile social media marketing. Engaging with mobile users through social media platforms optimized for mobile devices, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat. Mobile social media marketing involves creating mobile-friendly content, running mobile ad campaigns, and utilizing features like stories and live video. Mobile payments. Enabling mobile payment options such as mobile wallets, in-app purchases, or mobile payment gateways can enhance the convenience and user experience for mobile shoppers. Mobile analytics. Tracking and analyzing mobile user data to gain insights into user behavior, preferences, and engagement metrics. Mobile analytics tools help businesses optimize their mobile marketing strategies and make data-driven decisions. Immediate results. Mobile marketing allows businesses to instantly send messages, offers, and advertisements to their target audience. This immediate delivery can lead to quicker response times and higher conversion rates. Higher engagement. Mobile devices are highly personal and are often kept within arm's reach. This makes it easier for businesses to engage with their customers through mobile apps, SMS marketing, and push notifications. These interactive features can enhance customer engagement and build brand loyalty. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional advertising channels such as TV or print media, mobile marketing can be more cost-effective. The lower costs associated with mobile advertising and the ability to specifically target certain demographics or locations can lead to a higher return on investment. Enhanced targeting and tracking. Mobile marketing allows businesses to gather valuable data on their customers such as their location, preferences, and purchasing behavior. This data can be used to target specific audiences and refine marketing strategies. Additionally, the ability to track and analyze mobile marketing campaigns in real time allows businesses to make data-driven decisions and optimize their marketing efforts. Integration with other digital channels. Mobile marketing can seamlessly integrate with other digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and website optimization. This integration allows for a more cohesive and impactful marketing strategy. In conclusion, mobile marketing offers numerous benefits for businesses, including wide reach, convenience, personalization, and higher response rates. However, it also presents challenges that must be addressed. By embracing mobile marketing strategies and overcoming these challenges, businesses can effectively engage with their target audience and achieve marketing success. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.